Okay, so it's been hot here in the UK and I have a couple of trips coming up, so I'm headed to TKMaxx and Home Bargains to get some sun cream and some new skincare. I want to get some stuff that is effective but that doesn't cost the earth. If I can find something bougie, then even better. So come shop with me for some summer skincare and we'll see what's out there. I've made it to TKMaxx. I don't actually know where Home Bargains is from here, but we'll find it. But let's go and have a look. I'm hoping to find some good things. Some skincare for sure, some sun cream for sure. Yeah, let's go see. How cute that is. This isn't what I came in for, but I found a bunch of journals. Got this one, this one, this one, and this one. This one. I like this one, but the day bits are too small. But I like this section. And those are all the same as that, so it's not that one. I really like this bottle. It's pretty. Oh look, they've got Fenty stuff. They've got Clarins as well. Okay, I didn't have a ton of luck in TKMaxx. I got a few bits, but I'll show you them when we get home. So I'm just going to head into Home Bargains now and hopefully get some sun cream because that is most important, and see what else they've got in the skincare section. And then there's a food warehouse here, which is Iceland. So I could do with getting some ice lollies, so we'll do that. And then probably head back and I can give you a little haul. Okay, I am back from TKMaxx. I went to Lidl in the end, but you don't really care about that. And Home Bargains. I definitely went a little bit overboard in Home Bargains. But I'll show you what I got in TKMaxx first. At the till line, I saw these fun snacks. That's where they get you, isn't it, at the till? So it was snap peas. These ones are sea salt flavour. And then these are, is it edamame? Is that how you say it? But edamame, and it is buffalo flavour. So I thought, I reckon John will definitely like those, and I think I'll like these, so they'll be fun to try. I picked up, it's not very exciting, and the bottle's a bit dented, but it doesn't matter. Can I get it out? No, the bottle's a bit dented. Oh, those snacks were $2.99 each. This is Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt. They had a few different scents. This one was the least offensive. Ooh. This one smells like, if you've used the blue Radox, it smells a bit like that. But yeah, I thought for $5.99 that's a good amount of bubble bath, and John will use it as well. So, relaxes. This is the relaxing one. I picked up this body scrub. It is by, who is it by? Saroa? I don't know. But it is Manuka honey and vitamin C body scrub. I don't think I smelled it in the shop because I was smelling everything, so I was a bit nose blind. But I liked the pot, so there's like salt in there, obviously, like a scrub. So that'll look nice on the side of the bath. It's not what I went in for, but yeah. So I got that and the bubble bath. I picked up this because it was in clearance and it was £4. It's e.l.f. powder foundation. I'm not 100% sure it's my shade, but it's got a little mirror on this side and then the foundation there, and it comes with a little Shall we try it? Oh yeah, actually it's perfect. Okay, great. Not bad for £4 then. And I liked it, I can just chuck in my bag. And I've not used like a powder foundation in forever, so that one will be good. And then the last thing I got from TKMaxx is something I definitely don't need. You saw me looking at it, I think, actually. It is this Fringe 17-month planner. And we used to have one like this. This is what the pages look like. We used to have one like this for our YouTubey stuff. So I think I'm going to use it for that. But it's got little cherries on the front. We can leave it out by the computer then, because John doesn't always want to go onto the computer to look at it, but you can look at it in the book. And then what we do is we just put our videos in the slots like that. So, and it feels, I don't think it's leather, but it's like a soft touch kind of material. That is everything. Oh, and the inside has got a little leopard print. That's everything I got from TKMaxx. Now it's time to do the Home Bargains stuff, which you're going to have to bear with me because it's a lot. Starting fairly boring, I got a shampoo and conditioner. Did I need them? No. Did I buy them anyway? Yes. I feel like they're supposed to be like Olaplex dupes. I haven't even smelled them. They could be disgusting. Oh. They don't really smell of anything, so I got those. And I was going to get the hair mask, but I didn't get a hair mask because I've got loads of hair masks and I don't need them, so that's a win. That's like girl math sex free. Got this dry shampoo. Just when it's warmer, you know, it's just nice to have a zhuzh up. So yeah, especially when I'm wearing this down. So got this dry shampoo. It's apple and sandalwood flavour. Took a pack of wet wipes, just makeup removing in a rush. I'll put it in my bag to take makeup off when I regret it in a rush. Okay, these were like 29p each, and I don't know if they work, but I was going to put them in the fridge, and then when I use them, they'll feel all nice. I got some hyaluronic eye masks. I got 3 of those, and then I got some vitamin C anti-fatigue eye masks. I thought they might just be nice to use. Okay, these are actually from Lidl. They just look really yummy, and it's chocolate-covered chocolate-covered cherries, not strawberries. But I thought they looked nice, so I got those. I don't think John likes cherries either, so they might be all for me. But I did get John this. He likes porridge, and I saw this in Home Bargains. Strawberries and cream flavour, so I thought he might like it. But we'll see. I will let him try it whenever he feels like it, I guess. As far as sun cream goes, which is what I actually went for, I got Factor 30 Malibu for John. Hopefully he'll wear that. And then I got the After Sun one as well. I don't know where the lid's gone. It definitely had a lid. But I got the After Sun, because we'll probably need that too. And then for me, I got the Factor 50 Clear All Day Protection. I know that this one is greasy, and I don't love that. But it was Factor 50 and it wasn't like a tanning oil. So yeah, I got that one for me. I saw this, which is a refreshing cooling mist. And it's probably just, what do you do? Okay, so you spray it. Oh, it's just water. It's nice smelling water. Okay, well, some of these electrolyte things for John. These are pineapple and mango flavour. He was talking about trying some the other day, and he wants the other brand. I think they're like Zero, the brand, but I didn't see those, and I did see these, so he can try them or not. But yeah, I picked up some gummy clusters. These are Nerds. I haven't seen these before, and I thought they sounded good. And then last but not least, I got some makeup remover to go with my washable makeup remover pads. So hopefully I can use this one. Oh, it's green tea though. Oh, I should read things before I buy them. Hopefully it doesn't smell too bad. It'll be fine. So yeah, that's everything I got at TKMaxx and Home Bargains. It's been I've opened it. Yeah, it doesn't smell too bad. yeah, that's everything I got at TKMaxx and Home Bargains. It's been a day because it's been really muggy, so it's been really hot and I've not really wanted to do anything. But let me know what your summer essentials are down in the comments below, because I'm pretty sure I'm definitely missing like a lip gloss I needed and things like that. But I think I've got most of the things I need, so that's good. But yeah, let me know your summer essentials down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.